The Moto G series of phones has long offered some of the best values of all smartphones, with the design, battery life and phone screens twice its cost, and the G7 line of this year. The bezels and offer even bigger screens and batteries to give even more for your money. Motorola will launch 3 versions of the G7 this year, the G7, the G7 Power and the G7 Play. A 4th more powerful model of the G7 Plus will also be launched internationally. Of those 3, the $299 G7 that should not be confused with the LG G7 ThinQ is the first-line model, with a 6.2-inch Gorilla Glass screen that has a resolution of 2270x1080 and a more subtle tier notch. The G7 also has more 4GB RAM and more 64GB internal storage than its siblings, along with a dual-camera configuration on the back that offers a 12-megapixel main lens along with a 5-megapixel depth sensor for a better experience in portrait mode. The other G7 phones will have a portrait mode based on software. The G7 is also compatible with Motorola's 15W TurboPower charging specification, which promises 9 hours of battery life with a 15-minute charge.